Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Rush Wild Adventures. Today, me and my cousin are hunting some birds with my bow. Part 2, actually. And this time it's going to be better and you could hear me actually this time. So, let's give the camera to my cousin. Now we're going to go hunting. And if you guys were wondering, he is going to be hunting maybe. If he wants to. But hopefully we'll get birds this time. Oh, birds right there. See him on the fence right there?
Shoot him from here. They're gone. Oh, they're
right there. So, the one's on the floor.
Take them.
They're not close enough yet. You have to be way closer. Whoa. Oh, they're gone. I don't know if you guys saw that arrow, but that was really low. Where did that arrow go? Oh. Well, where's the bird? Well, some birds on that power line, but I don't think we should shoot them. That's high. Oh, there's a bird.
Shoot it from here. Want me to shoot?
Oh! He didn't fly away, which is good.
Oh,
Did you
almost
see
got
that?
it.
That was so close. Well, we're gonna have to climb the fence.
Let's just go over the gate.
That's true. I have to climb the fence. But that was close. Oh my gosh. Where did it go? That second one was so close. Now my cousin's gonna shoot.
What's up?
So anyways guys, the shot that I took, the first one was bad. The second one was so close. But well, my cousin saw birds coming over there. So we're gonna head that way. No, those are illegal to shoot. Those would probably be the easiest things. over there. Oh look, there goes some doves. But it's not dove season. It's not dove season. It's not dove season. And guys, actually, they're Eurasian doves, and you can hunt them whenever you want. So we're gonna go after them. Look, they're in there. They're in there. They're in there. The doves are in our garden. That's gonna be such an easy shot. Elijah, come this way. Come this way. So he's gonna be shooting, but we have to get kind of close.
I got a good shot with this.
I think I do. Should we switch?
No.
Yeah. I think we should. Okay. If you miss,
I hope those are Eurasian doves.
they are. I could tell actually. Now that they're not flying. Actually, I shot one of these before with my BB gun.
They see us.
I know. So we have to get in the garden and go in the chicken coop, maybe. So,
Or I could just
We're
try to
making-
sneak up right to the fence.
okay, start slowing down and getting down more.
Should we go straight forward?
No, stop. That's not good. Oh, they're coming back. Oh, there. Oh, he's on the fence now.
Alright.
Oh no. Oh, there they go.
Wait, they're gonna land.
Are they? No, they're not coming
I'm
back.
gonna take a long shot.
Oh, they're landing
Yeah,
out in the
they're
field. No, they went past your neighbor's property.
Oh, they're coming back.
Oh, they're coming back. Okay, so they're on the power line over there. But they come back.
Alright, we got birds right here.
Oh, we got birds right over there on that fence. We could actually sneak up on these easy.
There's two, right?
We could crawl like Hunter Call the Wild. And I will be doing a gaming channel soon. Once I figure out how to make another one. Another channel. But there's the birds over there. I don't know if you can see them. It's probably not able to. And I'll start creeping over there now. Because now that we're behind. So do you see those? Oh no. They flew away.
They're gonna land in those trees.
Yeah,
They
probably.
landed on the fence right there.
Yeah, we can go shoot them. Actually, don't. Because I'm going to
get
lose
up
my
on
arrow.
The deck.
No.
No, like
I'm
not
gonna-
for the one in the tree. There's one on the fence right here.
Oh, let me go. Oh.
There's one on the fence.
Oh, yeah.
Right there. Yeah.
Let's
I'm
get
gonna
on the
go
deck.
on the deck.
Yeah, we're
You
going to
in
go on the
corner and
deck.
take it.
And then there's one over there. This video might be a little shaky, but I'm sorry. I'll try to do better next time. But, anyways. Oh, I flew away. They're still in that tree, but I don't want to lose my arrow. But that would have...
There's birds in the
Oh, there's black ones. Yeah, crawl over there.
You film from right here.
There's going to be a little bit of beeping, but... See that black thing right there? So the goats are there. Hopefully. He's taking the shot. He's taking the shot. Here, let me shoot him. Let me shoot him. No. Come on, no. No, you take it. You take it. I know what to do. So, this might be, I'm going to go in there. And then creep up on him. here.
All right.
That's what he's doing.
I'll go over here. Rhett is right there. There's the bird. I don't know when he's taking a shot. It's on the other side of the fence. You almost got it.
I know. That was so close.
There's a
It was
bunch.
a bad shot that he flew and it almost hit him. That was so close. So anyways, guys, I think we might be ending the video now. Well, anyways, guys, thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos just like this, please hit the subscribe button. See ya.